enjoy BSc Nursing studying in Sri Shankara College of Nursing. So on occasion of Nurses Day, I am here with Sister Tulshida and I'll be interacting with her today to know more about her life as a nurse. So I would like to know, how did you become a nurse in Sri Shankara Cancer Hospital?
So I would like to start in my journey, how I came. I came as a student in Bangalore. I studied in Nightingale College of Nursing in Bangalore, and then after course completion, I gave interview here, and here I joined as a staff nurse. Then in charge, now I'm working as a nursing supervisor.
What led you to choose nursing as a desired area to work in, and what do you think are the important qualities of being a successful nurse?
So I desired to be a army nurse. I wanted to go in the army, but since I have come here and joined Chandra Hospital as a nurse, I realized that working as a nurse on daily basis, like you will get to know patients more, and it's like very different from having a job where you will get to meet the patient very rarely, and you meet a patient on daily basis. So, and the quality which you said, which was, it's like problem solving and critical thinking. Why I say problem solving and critical thinking is because problem solving is something when we talk to the patient and their attenders, because they are going through a treatment which is like affecting their health, and they are mentally very unprepared for this. So we'll be talking and having interpersonal relationship with them, talking to them in daily basis and console them is helping them. Also us to get to know about what they are going through. And critical thinking is because when they are having any kind of seriousness or some or other thing, their parameters get drops and all. So we will get to know what thing we have to do first and then inform to the doctor. We have that critical thinking, this thing to go and do this, and then that is how we help the patient.
So why did you decide to work in Shankara Hospital?
So I joined here as a nurse in Chandra Cancer Hospital because I wanted to become an oncology nurse, and the care which we are giving in Sri Shankara Cancer Hospital, it's very different and very special from the other hospital. And when I joined here, I joined as a staff nurse, and I learned many things: how to interact, how to give injections, how to talk with patient. And then it's been almost 3 years I'm working here, 3.5 years. And the next year they chose me as a in charge, where I found that they saw something good in me, and I had some quality of in charge so that I can take care of the staffs with the treatment and with the daily basis life, like how I can help them. And now I'm a nursing supervisor, and now I'm teaching my staff how to be with the patient, like how I learned. I'm able to help them also, because the way I learned is very special, because everybody helped, not only my colleagues but my supervisor, the doctors, and everyone.
So tell me, which part of the job do you like the most and why?
There's nothing specific for something special. It just, when I wake up, and what motivates me to come here is my patient, my staff, and the hospital itself. So when I get up and then I do my all daily routines, and I come to the hospital and talk to my patients and talk about their day, how it went and how it is going. Why? Because they are here only, nobody's here to ask them this question. So they will be telling us, and they are also happy to tell us about their life, it is going, what is going on with their life, how they are liking it, and whatever the treatment we are giving, the advantages of it and disadvantages. Like, because many patients, they do not like it. Almost everybody, nobody likes here to be in hospital, but since they are undergoing any treatment, so they have to talk about their stay. So that's what.
And do you think nursing is the easiest of the careers to undertake, and why?
I will not say it is easy. It is easy only for those who are interested. In the sense, when you are choosing nursing, it will be intentionally that you want to do nursing. It's not like when your parents are saying something and your relatives are asking you to choose nursing for healthy somewhere or to go through with that medical field. It's not like that. You have to be very sure about it, that what you are going to study and what you are going to do in your future. And if it is nursing, it is very special, I will say, because nursing is something like it's not easy for everyone.
If you could tell me one piece of advice, what would it be?
I would like to advise you that if you're working as a nurse, obviously because you are a student, so future will be nurse. So be passionate about what you are doing, and please concentrate whatever you are doing and happily, whatever like there are many things you will learn in your life, right? So when you work in a hospital, you have to be very specific. This is what is going to be my daily routine life. So in that way, if you are learning, it will be very good. It's not like it's a part of your job. You're doing it and going it and forgetting it for the next day. So, and please try to talk with patients how much you can, because interpersonal relationships is something where you will get to know people and you will also develop a good communication skills in you.
It was very nice interacting with you, and I've learned many things about being in this. And thank you.